between a square and a rectangle? Because you need to copy this first. What is the difference between a square and a rectangle? Because going back to the test, going back to the test that we had last week, I believe on Thursday and Friday, we did not, Maddie, please sit down. We had a lot of confusion about the perimeter of a square versus the perimeter of a rectangle. Yes, Miguel?
The square has to be the same piece is equal, each line is equal, and the rectangle, the top is all the way down. And
so a square has congruent sides. Has 4 congruent sides. And who knows what congruent means? Congruent. Yes, you know?
Yes.
What does it mean?
Equal on both sides.
Yes, equal, same length, same size. Congruent. Same length, equal on both sides. So, does a rectangle have congruent sides? Does a rectangle have congruent sides?
Yes.
Yes. How many?
4.
4. No,
A
2.
rectangle?
2 and 2.
2 and 2. 2 pairs of congruent sides. So, rectangle. Okay, and I'm going to use a ruler to show the difference. So congruent means the same length and equal, the same length and parallel. So I have a ruler. I'm going to draw a small square, 5 inches. Here's one that's 5. Another one that's 5. So each side is 5 inches. 5. And what are other characteristics of square that you remember from the previous check?
Oh, yeah. The area.
Ramsey.
Is the area?
The area is the same as what?
Perimeter.
Area and perimeter are the same?
No,
Yeah,
they're
it's not
different.
the same.
Okay, area and perimeter are different how?
By the squares is they're actually the same because if you add all the 5s, it's
No,
20.
but they don't have
and
the
on
same
the
number.
inside is 20.
But they don't have the same number because if you do area, which is
All the inside, because 5 plus 5 plus 5 is 20, but 5 times 5
it's 25.
is 25. So area is going to be, we'll get to that later. Square characteristics. Any more characteristics of the square? That is, we're getting to the area and perimeter formulas later. Yes, Skyla?
I know how a square and a rectangle are different.
How?
Because the square has all equal sides and the rectangle doesn't.
Okay, yes. All equal sides.
A different size.
Oh, the square is obtuse.
A square is obtuse?
Yeah.
Or is it right? It has 4 right
It's
angles.
a right angle. Duh.
But it could be obtuse.
Okay.
Okay, a rectangle. Since this has 4 congruent sides, and we said this one has 2 pairs of congruent sides, that means that 2 sides are equal and then the other 2 sides are equal. So to make a rectangle with the same, let's do a rectangle on here with 2 pairs of 5 inches. This one is 5. And let's make this one 10. this one's 5 and this one is 10. Notice long side and the short side. The long side is the length and the short side is the width. Equal length and width, different. One side is bigger. Now I'm going to give you some time to take note of this one. Example of a rectangle. Let's go job, Skylar. Okay, Ramses, is there a reason why you haven't written anything?
Because I didn't get my mind.
Okay, but is your...
Why do we have to say this?
What?
Why do we have to say this?
Because we are redoing the chapter 13. So we're learning about area and perimeter at the end so that we can do better on this test and we can have a mastery of area and perimeter knowledge.
I'm not master already.
Well, actually no. You did get the highest score, but the highest score 10 out of 15 would normally be a C grade. Okay, you want an A plus? We'll take some notes. We're going to practice some more.
I think I got in that.
Well, you can click down while you refuse to take notes. Okay, so let me know thumbs up when you finish copying this, and we're going to start a PowerPoint presentation, which is we're doing a different way of learning area and perimeter, because maybe this way is more helpful. Are you all right, Charlotte? Miguel? Are you good? Finished?
I didn't finish copying.
Okay, I'll give you more time at the end. Madison, still
see it.
On the way.
I see it.
yes?
There's something like
It's really hard here.
Okay, so one of the things that makes rectangles and squares the same is they're both quadrilaterals. Quadrilaterals mean that they have 4 sides. This is a good vocabulary word. Is a triangle a quadrilateral? No. A triangle only has 3 sides, Mateo. Quadrilaterals have 4. The root word quad means 4.
I know.
Laterals is sides. This is a good thing to take note of.
Wait, what's quad again?
Quad means 4.
Sides.
Lateral.
Lateral sides. 4-sided figures are quadrilaterals. Rectangles and squares are quadrilaterals.
Wait, Miss Carlton. Quadrilateral. And what is obtuse?
So obtuse is related to the angles. Obtuse is a greater than 90-degree angle.
Okay, so quadrilateral.
a 90-degree angle is right angle.
Quadrilateral and recess?
Yeah, recess. Remember how we were having the court? We said that could be a spelling word?
Okay.
Because I know it's spelling.
Okay, so what is quadrilaterals? I just told you it's 4-sided figures. Polygons means multiple sides. Polygons are all the shapes that we know except for circles.
Like a hexagon?
Hexagon is a polygon, square is a polygon, rectangle, hectagon, octagon, all the shapes. Straight-sided figures are polygons. So there's
Triangles.
triangles, yes.
Wait, no, there's 2.
Okay, this is also, so a square is a polygon.
See, that's 3 lines.
Square has 4.
Straight on.
4 straight lines. Polygon means it has straight sides. Quadrilateral is 4 sides. So polygon is the umbrella. The umbrella. Have you heard when people say umbrella terms?
Yes.
So umbrella means the big, think of a big circle. So polygons are all the shapes that have straight sides.
An umbrella cannot be a whole circle. It can only be
It's a half a circle.
Well, pretend that there's an umbrella. And the umbrella is polygon. And everything that's under the umbrella is a type of polygon.
Wait, Miss Carlton, there's 2 figures. How does it cover that are not a polygon?
Which ones are
An
these?
oval and and a circle.
That's good, because why? They don't have straight sides.
They don't even have.
Exactly.
So, an angle, you were asking about obtuse, there's right angles. It's when two rays meet at a point. So, going back to our square, where two angles intersect, so this would be an angle here because this ray and this ray are intersecting. This would be the angle here. Okay, a ray and a ray intersect and they make an angle.
Right angle.
This is a right angle. It can be like this. It can be a right angle. So this would be a right angle.
This will be.
This would be obtuse. This would be acute. Okay, Mateo, is this a right angle?
Obtuse.
No.
Shut.
It's not a right.
What kind of angle is it?
It's a line. No.
What kind of angle is it?
Obtuse.
How about this one?
Acute.
No,
That's a right angle.
That's
Like
a
we're
right
doing.
angle. Acute. This is the
Right angle?
right angle.
Acute. Acute is little. Like little kids are cute.
A right angle.
Didn't
Little kids are
Didn't
cute.
you do Leslie as a?
Yeah, Leslie is a cute little kid.
What about my sister?
Scarlett is a cute little kid.
What about my
Cute-
sister?
Cute is
What
little.
about Sophie's sister?
Cute is
What
little.
about my sister?
Obtuse is like obese.
I didn't even know you had a sister.
So for obtuse, I want you to do like this. Like a fatty person is obtuse. A
I know
right
someone
angle.
who that is.
And a cute one.
Not
Cute.
here.
Cute, right, obtuse.
Obtuse.
Right, acute is little, right, obtuse.
And a key.
Obtuse is bigger than 90 degrees.
My dad's over 90 degrees.
What do you?
What?
So a degree, in case you didn't know, this is what a degree is. It's a unit of measure represented by that little circle symbol. Okay, this is the angle because the two rays are meeting and you know they're rays because they have arrows on the side. Arrow, like pointy. Like you can point. Or you can make it with your arms too. You can make a right angle like this. A right angle, a cute angle, obtuse angle.
But this angle is not cute.
It's little, it's cute.
No, it's ugly.
Like your sister.
Your sister is big.
Maybe like this.
Okay, the reason why I'm saying cute because they're little, because that matches an acute angle.
What's up?
Okay, and this is a 90 degree we know because, how do we know?
It's like this.
It makes a corner. All 90 degree angles are
That's
corners.
not a 90 degree. It's like this. You make a square.
Yes, this is it's one 90 degree
So
angle.
why is it like this
What?
in the picture?
Oh, that's true. You're supposed to make a corner on the 90 degree.
They got it wrong. They're done.
What? What is a quadrilateral?
It's a 4 angle.
It's a square.
Quadrilateral it's a closed two-dimensional figure.
Miss Lodge, I have a question.
Yes.
Never mind. I don't want to say it.
So, a quadrilateral, it can be a square or a rectangle, right? Does everybody have quadrilateral written down on their notes?
Yeah, just vocabulary.
Put the water bottle down.
Quadrilateral.
Ow.
There it is.
Quadrilateral. What is it?
Look, I did.
That doesn't say quadrilateral.
Just leave it there.
That doesn't say
I
quadrilateral.
never said it did.
That's what it said.
That does not say quadrilateral.
Quadrilateral, what is it? Madison, it's not to stand up now. Go sit down, please. So, quadrilateral. All of these are quadrilateral.
I got 4 sides.
Because they all have 4 sides. Yes.
No,
What kind of shape is this?
No, they're not all quadrilateral.
Oh, really?
Because
This is
a quadrilateral, yes, it has 4 sides, but they all the sides
Who
are
wrote on this?
equal.
That's
No.
a square.
Okay.
Quadrilateral just has to have 4
Look at
sides.
quadrilateral.
Yes. Yes, the paper is a quadrilateral, Ramsey. Good job. It has to be flat and have 4 sides. Doesn't matter what.
I'm just showing you the word.
Doesn't matter.
This is
one?
It's quadrilateral.
Rectangle.
Rectangle, yes. A quadrilateral and a rectangle. All of these are quadrilaterals.
No,
Yes,
how-
oh, that was also
Miss
quadrilateral.
Carlton, how is that rectangle if the red one's a
Miss
rectangle?
Carlton, this is a quadrilateral.
Miss Carlton, look at quadrilateral.
Because all the sides are not equal.
No,
These
that's
two
not-
aren't, and this
That's
one.
not- that's
This is
not
square.
Miss Carlton, look at mini quadrilaterals.
Yes, the keys on the keyboard are mini
Except
quadrilateral.
for this.
Yes, computer, quadrilateral, yes.
But Skyla, the eraser on your pencil is not.
I'm not talking about the eraser. It's like a little design right here. It looks like a square. Yeah.
Huh? Weird.
Where? Let me see.
It's a little
You
square.
can't-
It's like tiny rectangles? Yes. Yes.
Told you.
Okay, this one is a square, 4 sides are equal.
Oh, cool.
This one is just a quadrilateral, but what do you call this?
I'm a TV.
Is this a trapezoid?
Yes.
Yes. This one is also a trapezoid.
Just
Upside down. So, quadrilaterals have to have 2 sides.
Miss Carlton, are we doing geometry?
This is geometry, yes.
Miss Carlton, they don't have to have them. They need to have them.
They need to be a
Miss
quadrilateral.
Carlton,
What is the difference between
I
have
have
to
a
and need?
question.
Have to is like, oh yeah, they have to, but they don't always have to.
Miss Carlton,
And they need is like they need to do this or they'll be punished.
If they don't have 4 sides, they are not quadrilaterals. Yes, Miguel.
in each semester do we get a new